Now we're going to talk about mobility systems. The selection of a wheelchair is based on the evaluation discussed in the previous section and is a process of matching characteristics to the consumer's needs and skills. There are three broad categories of mobility systems: dependent mobility, independent manual mobility, and independent powered mobility. Dependent mobility is propelled by an attendant. That includes strollers and transport chairs as well as a manual chair, but it is propelled by an attendant. This is chosen when the individual is not capable of independently propelling a wheelchair, or a secondary system is needed that is lightweight and easily transported. An independent manual mobility system is for those who have the ability to propel a manual wheelchair. Independent powered mobility systems are required when the user has difficulty propelling a manual wheelchair. These are the powered wheelchairs that are driven by the user.